Hello, it's Angus here, and just like that, it is the weekend, and we are here to take a look at the forecast across the next couple of days, starting from Saturday the 9th of August. And we will see some rain on either side of the country. It's been like that over the last couple of months, a bit of a frustrating winter where the rain has more often than not seemed to arrive during the weekend. So I can see a little bit of annoyance creeping in. It is going to be wet over parts of Queensland, eastern New South Wales picking up some rain, as is Perth in the far southwestern corner of Western Australia. So sort of wet weather on both sides of the country, but through the middle from Tas and Vic up to the NT, pretty clear, sunny, and also getting quite warm for this time of year. Let's look at Queensland first. There will be some rain here for many areas, particularly through the morning and early afternoon. A lot of the rain will be clearing up before the end of the day. But through that first stage of the day, we could see wet weather across the central southern inland here through the likes of the Maranoa Warrego and Darling Downs, as well as out towards the east coast. In particular, it's the Capricornia and the Wide Bay, meaning Rockhampton and Bundaberg, which could pick up the heavier falls during Saturday. Could be moderately heavy at least in those areas. Just some passing showers further south across Brisbane and the southeast coast. Anywhere north of Mackay and out towards the west should have a bright and warm day. Persistent showers are anticipated across the New South Wales coast pretty much everywhere, maybe not so much right down here in the south, but certainly from Wollongong up towards Tweed Heads, Coolangatta, there will be showers throughout your Saturday. And modest rainfall totals between 5 and 20 millimetres, but kind of that annoying pattern of weather where it might rain for 15 or 30 minutes, dry up again for an hour, and then that rain comes through again, just intermittent showery weather, including for Sydney with a cool maximum temperature of 16. West of the Great Dividing Range, cloudy in the morning, maybe an early spot of rain, brightening up to a dry day with maximum temperatures near 20 degrees. Another cold morning for Victoria, frosty in some areas, but the trend here is a warming one. We are seeing temperatures a little higher than what we've seen over the last few days. It will get mostly sunny through the afternoon as well. Maximum temperature of 17 expected in Melbourne, as high as 20 in the north and closer to 15 along the south coast. We have mostly cloudy skies, at least through the morning in Tasmania. Should break apart a bit and let some sun shine through. And we're also trending to fairly mild maximum temperatures here, 14 or 15 degrees across the board. No strong winds and no significant rain make it a very pleasant, settled day. We will see a low pressure trough develop across parts of eastern South Australia. That will bring some cloudy skies and just a couple of showers from the northeast pastoral district down to around about Adelaide. Certainly no significant rainfall in the forecast, just a millimetre or two for some of these eastern areas. Away from that side of the state, it will be a fairly settled day, a cool morning and warming up through the second half as the sun comes out. Through the west, we are anticipating a wet and rainy day around Perth, particularly from about lunchtime onwards. The afternoon is where that rain really does set in, and it's looking highly likely we will see a severe weather warning for heavy rainfall be issued around Perth and other parts of the west coast. Keep your eye out on Friday afternoon for that warning to be issued ahead of the rainfall coming in on Saturday. Now, the heaviest falls will be in the west, but we actually will see a decent drop of rain spread right across the southwest land division, the Great Southern parts of the wheat belt, even down here towards Esperance, and that will occur during Saturday afternoon, evening, or overnight into early Sunday morning. North of Geraldton and out towards the southeast, it is going to be a fine day, but may become cloudy as Saturday progresses. And while we have some rain in the east and some rain in the west, no such wet weather through the middle here. So enjoy your fine warm weekend across northern and central Australia. There will be a little bit of gustiness in the wind there. That could give us some high fire dangers around the Darwin area. 33 degrees and sunshine as the max there in the capital. Broome, also a similar forecast at 30 degrees. Let's take a quick peek at Sunday as well. Now, both of our wet weather situations, both along the east and the west, will be following a weakening trend during Sunday, but that's not going to stop further showers impacting Sydney, Brisbane and Perth during Sunday, alongside some relatively cool temperatures in all three of those capital cities. Elsewhere though, it will be another fine and mild day across the southeast, through South Australia and right across Australia's north, with a mixture of sunshine and cloud for many. So do enjoy a fine weekend. If you want any more weather intel over the next few days, you can find that on the Bureau's website or app. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.